Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Kumar. Welcome to my channel, SAFRICANOS Kitchen. Today, we're gonna make one appetizer from Syria. Ingredient: diced potato, garlic, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, and cilantro. We're gonna preheat the pan and we're gonna add the extra virgin olive oil to saute the potato. And there is another way we can deep fry the potato instead of saute, but this is the original way, and it's gonna take less oil than deep frying the potato. This is a really simple dish. You can use it as vegan because it's vegan. It's gonna be a simple lunch or a simple dinner. You can put it as an appetizer. So we saute the potato for around maybe 15 minutes until it changes the color and until it's fully cooked. Exactly like how we see in the picture. And I'm gonna add the salt and pepper and some, like maybe half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon coriandre, and half a teaspoon paprika. And if you feel the oil is not enough, you can add just a little bit. And trust me, this is really simple and really appetizing dish. Yeah, now you see I'm adding the rest of the spices. Yeah, this dish you can make it anytime if you want something quick. I don't know, I feel potato is good anytime. My best vegetable. And this is, you know, potato is full with potassium. It's really healthy, really good. You know, it's good to have a balanced diet all the time. I don't like to eat meat all the time. You know, this is the way how we learn to eat in my country, Syria. If we eat one day like too much meat, too much protein, we try to be vegetarian or vegan. Maybe like one day meat, 2 or 3 days vegetarian or vegan. So like this you can balance all the ingredient in your body so you don't get too much of something. Now I'm adding just a little bit of oil because I feel it's too dry and I want the garlic. I just add 1 teaspoon of garlic. I want the garlic to saute to give this good flavor to the potato. The dish, by the way, is almost done. Yeah, we're gonna saute it together, and at the end we're gonna add the cilantro. I add two bunch of cilantro, but it's up to you. You can add. I feel what I'm making is too much, and I like to see lots of green in my food. Yeah, mix them together. I don't prefer to keep the cilantro too long on the heat so it won't change the color. And all the vitamins and minerals, you know, stay inside the green. Look at that. It's almost done. So now I'm gonna show you, I'm not gonna put it in a big platter. I'm gonna put it in a different way. I'm gonna use 2 like appetizer platter to show you this is not a main course. This is just appetizer. But this is great. I can eat it as a main course. I don't care. It's really good. So I'm gonna make 2 dishes. I'm gonna make them, of course, look really nice, really appetizing. So we can use any vegetable we have at home, like tomato. By the way, this is good with lemon or lime, and also pickles. You can eat pickles with this. What else you can eat? Let's see. I think anything you want. So I garnish it with lemon, tomato, and some pepper. Bon appetit. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.